So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you on how to optimize your profile so that you can get high paying clients. And also I'll be showing you with resources that helped me optimize my profile and got me to 100% job success. So let's get right into it. So I'll go to my profile, click on my profile. Yeah, so this is my profile. So the first thing I want to let you know is that when you're writing, including your name and everything, when you're creating Upwork account, ensure that you put your name, no nickname, nothing. It should be your own real name and everything. Then your profile picture, make sure that your profile picture is professional. Don't use party picture, don't use casual picture, don't use, it should be professional. Your face should really show. It shouldn't be that you're far and then you're showing. Very professional. You can see mine is just showing a little bit of my shoulder. Really professional, very demure and very classy. So the next thing you want to do is that your niche, ensure that when you're including this, your particular title, ensure that you include your title as clear as possible. Whatever you're doing, make it as clear as possible. You don't have to put too many like mine, 1 to 3. As a beginner, you can just put like maybe data analysis and machine learning, just something really catchy, something that really says exactly what you are doing, and then you click on save. Yeah, then you go into your description, your profile description. You click on this pencil here so that you can write up your profile overview. You can see mine. It is, I'm specialized in machine learning, where I undertake a multiple of projects, including creation of machine learning models, utilization of clustering. So this, you can also use ChatGPT to help you create it. But when you are using ChatGPT, make sure that ChatGPT is just giving you a clue of what to write, but don't that you not that you copy ChatGPT result and put here. It just gives you a clue of what to write. Make it very short and very simple. Then my area of expertise, you can see that I included my area of expertise, Python, machine learning, deep learning, and then why they should choose you. So make it very simple as possible. And if you don't know how to create this, you can go to people in the same niche with you, try to see what they have done, similar things they have done, and then you can now try to create your own out of it. But don't copy anybody's profile. Just use their own as sample to create your own and make it very simple, make it professional as well. And then when you are now done, you can see that mine is 341 characters. So I don't think you can put too much, but make it just very simple, sharp, and make it very clear in a way that anybody can read it and really understand what you're trying to say. And then next you click on save. The next thing you want to do is you can see promotion with ads availability badge. This one is not really necessary as a beginner because it will just eat up your connect, boost your profile as well to eat up your connect. So when you have really gotten a good amount of earnings, you can try to put this on. Video introduction, yeah, this is very important. Video introduction. So you go to YouTube and then create a video and then upload it there, then upload the link to this place. And the video should be about what exactly you do, your basically just a brief, very short video, brief on what you are specialized in and what you can do. And then you copy the link and put here and then select the type of video and then you click on save. This place will show, click on save. So I don't have a video introduction, but definitely I'll create one. Hours per week. So you click on this. You can see that you can work more than 30 hours per week, less than 30 hours per week, as needed, and none. So I selected more than. So it depends on how many hours you can work, right? That's what you select. So contact to hire. So you see, I'm open to contract to hire opportunities, meaning that you start a contract and maybe later they will make you a full-time option. So when you click on that, you now click on save. And next is you very make sure creating your profile, definitely your phone number verified and your ID, everything verified. Military veteran, I don't think this is necessary. Your license, if you're licensed to anything, maybe nurse, you can see registered nurse, lawyer, anything you're licensed to, you can include your license to this place to actually help you more get more clients. Then your education, you can include your education, your BSc, if you have MSc, if you have PhD, whatever you have, you can include it here. You see that name of the school, date attended, from this to this, your degrees, whatever degree you in, like maybe BSc in whatever, computer science, BSc in mathematics, BSc in whatever. So area of study, where exactly, and then a description. Then you click on save. So next is you want to include your portfolio. This is very important. Have enough portfolio that you are include into your project. Enough. When I mean enough, have like 7 to 10 portfolios and include it. It's very necessary. And put the very important ones in front here. Put the very important ones in front here. So how you do that is you click on this plus sign to add more, just like I have. You add more, or you add anyone. So add a new portfolio here. You click on the type. So maybe data analysis um of food scarcity using Python, right? So then your role here is what role? I'm a data analyst. So whatever role it is, then you come to here description. I carried out a project to analyze the scarcity of what else is project analysis? The scarcity of food in Nigeria. So whatever it is, you can include, just put a very good description there of what the project is about, the skills and the deliverable. Say I use Python, it's going to display here, and if you write a skill and does not display here, meaning you can include it, but it's displayed here. So you put Python, let's say NumPy, yeah, pandas, um yeah, whatever skill it is, even if it's not related to this one I'm talking about, but whatever is your field, your niche, you include the skills that is there. And then the next thing is that related Upwork job. This is not necessary because you don't have a job yet, but if you have done any job for anybody and this project is related to that, you can be able to include it in this place. So let's include, you can include either image, a links to video, text block, website link, PDF, and then media. So whatever you want to include here. So let's include. So most times I advise that you include a PDF and a video. That's very important. But let's include a an image. Yeah, I click on this, and then it has included. So you see it here. I can also click and also include a PDF as well. Maybe the PDF of the particular video, of the particular project. I can include a YouTube, my YouTube video, whatever you want to include in this place. You can put as many for that particular project, and you click on next. It will take you to this page. Then you select a thumbnail. That's next thumbnail, and then you select it and place the thumbnail well. You can see, you can scroll, you can place it well, and after that you now click on publish. You can see that it's now showed you your portfolio project is published, meaning you have published it. Then you click on done, and it's going to display in this place as well. So if you have so many and you want to put the very relevant ones or the very important ones or the very um good ones in front, you can always come to this arrow that is facing up and down and click it. Then you can always shift it. You can see, you can shift if you want this first, if you want this second, if you want this third, shift it. So the top three, you can put the very important ones or the very good projects at the top three, and then put the remaining down. So in case the clients want to click on next and still see more, fine, but the clients will literally see the very good projects or high projects in front. So when you are done, you now just click on save. You click on save, and you can see that it has rearranged. So the next thing you want to do is now, okay, for this page now, work history, you can see that I have carried out so many work and they have given me very good reviews. Reviews are very important, very important. If a client does not give you review on Upwork, you can ask for review, politely ask for review. Oh, please, can you drop me a review to be of help to my profile, to help me get more clients, just be very polite. And I mean, if you do a good work for a client, the client will be willing to give you that review as well. But some clients just give you stars. See, this one did not even give me anything. The client just gives you stars and does not give you a review. But some clients gives you, okay, like this now, just give me a 5 star but no review. So it's still very good. the 5 star is what is very important, as well as the review. So next you want to scroll really down and then include your skills. You click on this pencil and then you add your skills. So you keep adding your skills. You need maximum of 15 skills. So as you're adding your skills, okay, let me cancel this and click on this. So you can see as you're adding your skills, it's going to show here and then you can be able to click it. If it does not show here, you cannot add it to your skills. So it has to be part of this. So you can see I click on it now. And then when you are done clicking on 15, the maximum of 15, if they're not up to 15, fine, but if they're up to as well, click it. And then you now click save. Then next, what you want to do is that you can see your project catalog. You can add a catalog, meaning that can have already done projects and just include it in this place. So most times clients try to view it and see that you have already created projects and they just want to just buy it from you. You can see create portfolio offerings that highlight your strengths and attract more clients. So this is very important. I don't have here, but I will definitely create a catalog. Your testimonial. Yes, testimonial is requesting a testimonial. You can see request a client testimonial. Add your client's contact details. Don't worry, we will only display the first name and the last initials. So you add your, if you've done work for somebody, maybe on LinkedIn, wherever you've done work for somebody, you can always just include the person's first name and the last name, the business email, that's their email, then their LinkedIn as well, because they would like to see if it's not just anybody, maybe your sister, brother you're trying to put in. So they want to see how professional that person is, and then client title option as well, then project title option, then a message to a client telling the client, please drop me a testimonial, drop me a review, drop me a good review. I want to put it on my Upwork, which will help, just telling them to just drop you something really nice, and then you request a testimonial. So when you request a testimonial, Upwork will take maybe like few days to review it and see if it's actually worth putting on Upwork. And then when they review it and everything is cleared and everything's okay, it will display here. The next thing you want to do is include your certifications. Certifications are very important. They are very good. If you've done any certification before, yeah, you can include them here. And once you've done courses in Coursera, IBM, yes, it automatically include. You can see imports from crediting. So once you click on import from crediting, you're able to import your Coursera courses here, basically because they are literally already online. So you just import it directly. But if it's not a certification that is registered online or anything, you can just include it manually here. So you include it. This is very important as well. Clients want to see that you have certifications. You're not just saying you know how to do this, but actually have a professional certificate on those courses. So employment history, include your employment history wherever you worked, include it. You can always click on this, right? And then to include it, the company, the city, country, the title, the month, the year, and you can see a description of it. Then you click on save. So you can include as many as you want. There you can see you can include as many as you want and to display here. So wherever it works, it's very important. So other experience. So if you have other experience as well, you can include it as here. And that's basically it. That's basically it. To make sure that your profile is 100% and to help you earn more. You can always check it here. Go to find work and you see complete profile, right? So you can see mine is 100%. You can see it's displaying 100%. So, but if yours is not showing 100%, you can click on complete your profile, and then it shows you profiles that, or places you have completed and places you are yet to complete. So you can see now for portfolio, it marked it. Education tick, certification ticked, portfolio and profile photo ticked. All these are ticked. And then here are not ticked, meaning like I've not done this as well. Employment history, well, I've included my employment history, but I think maybe they want me to include more also. Video introduction, I do not have a video introduction. Other experience as well, um I didn't include that. So this is what I'm yet to include. But even with this, it still gave me 100%. So this is a very basic thing that you need: your portfolio, education certification, your photo overview, that's your write-up, your skills, and then link accounts. You can as well link your accounts. You can as well link your um accounts. So you can see, and then when it takes you to this place, you're able to create more. When it takes you to this place, you're able to create more specialized profile. So when I mean specialized profile is, let me show you what I mean by specialized profile. What I mean by specialized profile is that you can see that this is all work. That this is the main profile. This is my main profile, and I created two other profiles, machine learning, and you can see. Let me click on this. So in this place, what I do is academic writing, LaTeX experts, citations, and references. This is what I do in this place. You can see I included portfolios as well. So automatically, all my certifications will still um, include in this profile. So you can see this other one, machine learning and deep learning. You can see portfolio. I included portfolio, so it automatically include your certifications, your you then you include your skills as well. But all this from here is going to automatically include from the main profile. So after all this, you include your earnings per hours. As a new freelancer, I would advise that you use $10 per hour. Yes, work on $10 per hour. You click on this, and then you fix in $10 per hour, and then to show you your what you receive, and then after Upwork has actually taken their service, then you click on save. So you see, this is it. That's pretty much it, so that you can get high paying clients and be able to apply for work, and they will take you on, and they'll accept you doing their work. If you like this video, please like, share, and as well subscribe. It will help me to create more content about Upwork, and also it will help YouTube share my videos and to other people to watch. So thank you very much, and see you another time. Bye.